Galapagos. Think of the volcanic processes that created the islands. Think of the flora and fauna that evolved to make hellish conditions their home. Think of the unique biodiversity that made Galapagos the crucible of evolutionary science. Now imagine the countless bucket lists on which Galapagos appears. A tsunami of tourism could erase Galapagos forever. Can those tourist dollars be captured sustainably? A climate and tourist-resilient Galapagos would protect its natural and human resources for all future Galapagos, human and non-human. As it stands, current infrastructure struggles to keep pace. Galapagos imports food, water, consumer goods, and fuel, virtually everything tourists and residents need. It's a clumsy and risky logistical relay across vast distances and short. Bobbing on the waves, it takes 3 long and costly days to unload the containers, over and over again. A deepwater port in Baltra would enable the centralization and expansion of biosecurity, creating a filter for invasive species that threaten the fragile ecosystems of Galapagos. The animals of Galapagos are adapted to a freshwater scarce environment. Humans are not. Among the inhabited islands, only one of them can supply the freshwater needs of its residents. As climate change increases dry conditions, Galapagos could adapt with desalination facilities and efficient wastewater treatment. Thermal energy could be tapped for carbon-neutral desalination. What keeps Galapagos running? Diesel. Lots and lots of imported diesel. That's what lights up the homes and the growing number of hotels on Galapagos. 84% of electricity is diesel-generated and heavily subsidized. It takes serious money to move all of that diesel across the sea. Think of the climate impacts and the risk of spills. Think of diesel-powered trucks rumbling through the islands. Could Galapagos run on renewable energy? Electric vehicles and boats are quiet and animal-friendly. Sunlight and wind could be tapped for a reliable, pollution-free grid. There's exactly one Galapagos. Without climate and tourist-resilient infrastructure, Galapagos endangers its status and long-term appeal. Investing in a sustainable future that combines a tourist economy with the preservation of natural heritage would help Galapagos remain unique to the world.